the science behind deepfake technology. At the heart of deepfake technology are machine learning and AI. A trained neural network identifies what Tom Cruise would look like from every angle or in different lightings and environments. Once the AI can generate a face, a user can superimpose the deepfake onto any media or another actor just as easily as someone working with Photoshop. There's still a skill and monetary gap before anyone can start creating their own AI-powered deepfakes, but that time frame is gradually shrinking. Some experts suggest the range is 2 to 10 years before it could be as easy as pulling up an app on your smartphone. Large tech companies like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter understand their platforms are commonplace in the modern-day news cycles and have started to reduce the threat that all deepfake technology can impose. Also, blockchain can potentially provide a solution to hinder unregulated deepfake content. Blockchain is now capable of utilization for creating verifiable pieces of digital content. There are also some positives of the growing technology for all the potential threats of deep learning AI. From innovating healthcare to art to education, deep learning AI shouldn't just ignite fear, but rather encourage digital literacy among the public so they can identify a deepfake from reality. Contact us at info@quantolist.com or learn more on the Quantolist website.